Please read and fully understand these important safety information for AxRobot robot operation to avoid unnecessary injury or damage before starting AxRobot online robot operation. This video demonstrates the robot collision protection functionality of AX58200 AxRobot EtherCAT 7-axis force-assisted control collaborative robot solution. Traditional industrial robots are usually large, stationary factory equipments for high volume, high accuracy, and high-speed production. Require machine guarding for safety, and need professional engineers to handle complex industrial robots programming. The collaborative robots are the best industrial automation solutions for low-volume, multi-variety factory production, or for a safe human-robot collaboration manufacturing environment. Cobots have the advantages of being small, lightweight, and easy to program. Industrial workers can easily and quickly deploy cobots flexibly in factory automation production environments. ASIX AX58200 EtherCAT 7-axis force-assisted control collaborative robot solution uses AxRobot servo drive modular design with AX58200 EtherCAT slave controller SoC to effectively reduce the motor drive board PCB space and hardware design cost for each robotic arm joint. AxRobot supports XT-Force software controller to realize the collaborative robot functionalities. Need not be equipped with expensive force sensor skin. AxRobot realizes the robot collision protection function by utilizing AxRobot XT-Force software controller. AxRobot XT-Force software controller precisely calculates additional torque required for each arm, and will automatically enter the suspension and drag mode to prevent personnel from being injured while detecting an abnormal torque output during operation. AxRobot utilizes the closed-loop controller and XT-Force limiter switch to realize AxRobot robot collision detection functionality. If the closed-loop torque output value is continuously larger than the limit value of XT-Force limiter for 10 milliseconds, it will be alarmed as an accidental collision event. The XT-Force limiter torque output will be immediately turned off, and AxRobot will automatically enter the suspension and drag mode to prevent any possible injury or damage. The operator can freely drag AxRobot arm joints to a safe position, and after removing obstacle, AxRobot can resume normal operation. The following video will demonstrate the robot collision protection functionality of ASIX AX58200 EtherCAT 7-axis force-assisted control collaborative robot solution. Firstly, need run AxRobot utility to disable AxRobot simulation and teaching modes, and start up 3D robot simulator for AxRobot robot collision protection demonstration. Designers can adjust AxRobot arm joints to proper position by using AxRobot utility jog control function. And then, press Add Point button in Point Editor console of AxRobot utility to add new points definition for arm joints positions, or load an existing points definition file from Point Editor console directly. After adding new points definition for arm joints positions, designers can press Enter key in Script Editor command console of AxRobot utility to add new script commands, or load an existing script command file from Script Editor console directly for AxRobot Robot Collision Protection demonstration. Please see below demonstration for details. ASIX Electronics has outstanding engineering teams to provide customers the professional and timely technical services. Please contact ASIX Sales for more information. Thanks for watching ASIX video.